If you are diabetic and want to lose weight, then this video will be very helpful for you. Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today I'll be sharing a simple yet very effective remedy for weight loss, as well as this remedy will also help in controlling your blood sugar levels. So let's quickly check out this remedy. We need to dry roast few ingredients in a kadhai. So firstly, we'll take 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. We will dry roast it on medium flame till we get nice aroma from it. We all know that ajwain seeds are very helpful in treating gas and indigestion. So if you want to get relief from acidity, flatulence and bloating, then one must include carom seeds in your diet. But apart from gas, people who have included ajwain seeds have also reported with a drop in their blood sugar levels. Once ajwain seeds are roasted, then we'll switch off the flame and we'll transfer it in a mixer grinder jar. In the same kadhai, then we'll roast 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zeera. Again, we need to dry roast it on medium flame till we get a nice aroma from cumin seeds, as well as the color of cumin seeds will also change. One of my earlier videos, I had shared a recipe of homemade detox tea, which is also very effective in weight loss. Both zeera as well as ajwain seeds are also key ingredients in that recipe as well. If you have missed watching that video, then I have shared the link of that homemade detox tea in the description box below. Do check it out. Now you can see that zeera has also roasted well. It has turned dark brown in color. So then we'll transfer it in the same mixer grinder jar. Our third very important ingredient which we need to dry roast is fenugreek seeds or methi dana. We need to roast 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds till the color changes to dark brown. Fenugreek seeds are often referred to as an Ayurvedic superfood, as it can make for an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. They are particularly beneficial for diabetes as they are packed with soluble fibers, which helps in lowering blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. So you must include fenugreek seeds in your diet as well. If you remember, in one of my earlier videos, I had also shared how to prepare fenugreek seeds drink. If you want to check out that video, I have shared the link in the description box below. So here my fenugreek seeds are also done. We'll switch on the flame and we'll again transfer it in the same mixer grinder jar. Once roasted, we need to cool down all the ingredients completely, and then we need to grind it to prepare a coarse powder. Our powder is ready. You need to remember the ratio of this powder: 2 parts of methi dana, 1 part zeera, 1 part ajwain. So in this ratio, you need to dry roast all these ingredients separately, and one can store this powder in an airtight container. Now let me share how to consume this powder. One can consume 1 teaspoon of this powder along with 1 glass of water, empty stomach in the morning, or you can consume half teaspoon of this powder with 1 glass of water half an hour before main meals, that is lunch and dinner. Try consuming this powder every day at least for 15 to 20 days and you will see noticeable results. However, as a precaution, please notice if you feel any discomfort after consuming this powder or it does not suit your body, then immediately stop the consumption of it. So try out this remedy. I hope it will be very beneficial for you. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.